What's up, guys, on my channel? So what we're doing today is nothing too much. We're going to be talking about some things. We're going to get Turbo Predator engine right here. So we're going to talk about what's going on for her. So what we got going on for Mr. Turbo Predator engine here is that we need to get, what's in this box? What did I buy for this thing? Oh, alright, so I got the new coil for it and stuff like that. New coil, new wire, all that good stuff. The engine itself is in good condition. I just gotta get this flywheel off. I just haven't had time, I really just haven't had time to come down here and just work on the thing, because I've been working on the semi, I've been working on this, working on that, and it's just kind of just been not enough time to really do it. But all I gotta do is really just pull that thing off, put this new aluminum flywheel on, which we'll show you guys when we get to that point in that time. Clock this turbo, which I think I already did. I think I just gotta put some sealant around it just to seal it up. Put that on, weld up a new bracket for a new what do you call that, magneto and stuff, so we can get some spark, because there's no more I just say we kind of blew a hole in the block right here because we took off the one thing, so we gotta build a nice little thing to come up and hold our new coil. Did I say that coil? Yeah, that's coil. Yeah, hold the new coil to allow it to get some electricity from, magneto, all that good stuff. We'll go on that in the actual video. I'm not gonna go through it right now. But other than that, guys, listen, that's kind of all going for that. We do got that engine down there. If you guys think of anything you guys want, or if anyone wants to buy a what was that, 2007 Kawasaki 500 engine, I think it is, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Kawasaki. I think it came off an EX Ninja or something like that. Ninja 500 EX, something like that. Just says right there, 07 EX 500. Only 14 miles on the engine. Really nothing wrong with it. Just never did anything with it. I bought it for 500 bucks. So if you guys are interested, I'll sell for 300 bucks. Because at this point, I just want it gone. I think I have a wire harness around here somewhere for it. You might just need to get some coils and stuff for it, but I do have a wire harness for it. Is that it? No, it's not right there. I thought maybe I had it right there. But it's somewhere in that pile of boxes or up there. But so if you're interested in that motor, it is right there. But other than that, guys, listen, all we got going on pretty much for next week. Now, I've been trying to do daily videos during the week, but it's kind of hard sometimes. Like on Wednesdays, it seems like Wednesdays I always get like punched in the face, and it's like, you're not getting a video, because I did have a video, but the problem is I recorded a video on my phone because I left the GoPro in my car, which I left at my girlfriend's house. I took her to work, came here to record during her breaks, and I left the GoPros. All the GoPros were in my car, so I had to use my phone. My phone, I just can't get the photos off my thing. I have Dropbox, but I don't feel like paying for Dropbox. I'm probably gonna have to pay for it, honestly. Honestly, at this point, probably just pay for it. There's a light out there. I can't believe it's like going out. I barely use it. But sorry, ADHD. But yeah, so I recorded a video on there, and then I couldn't get the video up. So yesterday it's kind of like a dud. I was like, oh, forget it. And then today, it was just kind of I had a bunch of things I had to do today. I worked all the way till 6. Then had dinner with somebody my girlfriend and I had dinner with somebody at 6:37. So we did that. And then we didn't get home until 9 o'clock. When we walked the dogs. By the time I walked the dogs, I had to go to the store. It was 10 o'clock, which right now is probably about 11:45, 12 o'clock right now. So I've been trying to get the videos off of my phone for the past hour, and cannot prevail out of it. And I just kind of, and then I started ordering stuff for the semi truck and stuff like that. So just kind of started doing random things. So, but yeah, so that's really all that's going on for today. It really was just kind of a very blah day. It was mainly just work, this, that. Same thing was yesterday. It's work, this. No, it wasn't yesterday. Oh no, yesterday actually was a really good day. Actually, I worked a little bit in the morning, and then oh no, yesterday. Okay, no, that's right. Yesterday, no, I worked a little bit later on. We went to go look at a boat. Cool, it was really cool. I'll put a picture out. So whoever watches this video to this point, glad you guys are watching it. Comment down below what you guys think about the boat. But put the boat in right here. I'll show a bit of the inside, but that's maybe not. I don't know. I want to keep it a little more surprise, because I want to do a whole video on revealing it. But yeah. So bought that boat and stuff. So So yesterday I went down, filled up with 4 gallons. I was supposed to take the boat out today, like take it to the marina to get out, which you guys will hear more details about the boat and stuff and the issues it has and stuff like that. Hopefully you guys can watch a video on it. Hopefully I have my friend probably record while he's on the boat, because he's gonna be helping me move the boat with my grandfather and stuff like that. But yeah, so the boat had some issues, which you guys will hear in that video when we announced that. Nice big boat, 34-foot Sea Ray, love it. Honestly, I went on it yesterday and I'm like, all right, this is awesome boat. I'm like, this is cool. I'm like, we're gonna have a fun time on this boat and get some content on it. 2 contents, not fun work content, but building an engine content, as well as some not partying content, but just like kind of like cool, like get everyone out on the boat and stuff like that, family, friends, stuff like that, and I think it'd be pretty chill. So that'd be some cool content we do next year. So I guess we'll start talking about a little bit of what I want to do for the channel from here and out. I think I'm looking at doing vlogs. I think we'll actually buy an actual real camera, like say using these GoPros. I'm actually gonna buy a real camera and stuff, and actually record like vlog style with the boom mic and everything on the camera. Probably looking at the Sony, I think ZV-E10 Mark II, I think it is. I think that's the one I'm looking at. I don't know, maybe let me guys know if you guys ever heard that camera, if you guys used it. As I said, let me know if it's a good camera or not, you guys liked it or not. So far I've seen good reviews, and I think I'm going to start using that, because I actually want to put money into the photo production, video production of everything, like clean video, clean audio, not just crappy audio stuff. And eventually even, have someone record us while we're at the racetracks, this, that, where it's like, I don't know, some cool stuff. I want to be able to really get some good content, really let you guys really see what's going on. Like I said, my one friend said she was cool for recording if I needed to record, so I told him, well, see what happens. Maybe we'll, maybe this time down in Florida, I'll bring you down. Like, you don't have to pay for anything besides your flight and stuff to get down there, and blah blah. And all you gotta do is just record for me. Just when we're working on stuff, when I'm working on this truck, when we're doing things, just get the camera out, record what's going on around us. And then after that, you can relax, watch the race, just get some footage of the race, stuff like that. So I might do that. I'm gonna talk to him more, see what he's interested in doing or not, because it's gonna be fun. It's more for the ride, it's more okay, come for the ride, help me out, chill, and hang out and stuff like that. So that's really more of that's gonna be. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some vlog content. We're gonna do a bunch of pranks, this, that, I'm gonna try to keep it car related, try to do car meets, kind of do this, kind of do that, just airplanes, boats, very, very, broad range of like stuff to do in the automotive industry, as of like anything to do with an engine. I'm interested in anything with an engine. I'm interested to drive anything with an engine, anything that has wheels, steering wheel. I'm in to drive it. That's my life, that's my thing, that's what I do. So I'm always down for a challenge, always down for it. So, all right. So I'm tired, guys. Listen, I'm just kind of got the camera out. I want to just upload something today, and now that's really it. So that's really it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys are not down to this part, listen. Like I said, comment down below what you guys think about that boat and stuff. Subscribe to the channel. Do what takes to follow your dreams. Don't let anyone get in your way. Stay maverick. I'll see you guys next one.